Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Fluval Betta is probably one of the most sought-after aquariums for betta enthusiasts, offering a blend of aesthetic appeal and functional design that makes it a standout choice for both novice and experienced fish keepers looking to provide a comfortable and visually pleasing environment for their vibrant aquatic companions. This compact yet well-equipped tank is engineered to meet the specific needs of bettas, ensuring they have ample space to swim, explore, and thrive, all within a stylish setup that complements any home decor. Number 5. Fluval Bug Bites Betta Fish Food. Introducing a premium fish food, featuring up to 40% nutrient-rich black soldier fly larvae as the primary ingredient. This formula provides a highly palatable and protein-packed meal for your betta. It's packed with multiple proteins, including whole salmon, which is rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. These essential nutrients promote healthy skin, scales, and fins for your aquatic pets. This food is fortified with essential vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. It ensures a balanced and complete daily diet to keep your fish thriving. The slow-sinking micro-granule format allows fish to feed at their preferred depth. This ensures efficient consumption and reduces waste in the aquarium. Feed as much as your fish can consume within 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily. This ensures they receive adequate nutrition without overfeeding. Our food is sustainably processed in small batches. This guarantees quality control and maximum freshness for every feeding. What we like. This food is packed with protein and essential nutrients, making it a powerhouse for your betta's health. If you're looking for a food that supports overall well-being and is easy for your fish to eat at any depth, this is a great choice. It's ideal for betta owners who want a high-quality, balanced diet for their fish. What people say. The Fluval Betta tank has a sleek, modern design that looks great on any desk or shelf. It's surprisingly spacious for a betta, allowing plenty of room for swimming and exploration. The integrated filter is quiet and effective, keeping the water clean without disturbing the fish. Number 4. Fluval Bug Bites Color Enhancing Betta Fish Food Flakes. Introducing a revolutionary fish food designed to bring out the best in your betta. It's packed with nutrients to enhance their natural colors. The primary ingredient is nutrient-rich black soldier fly larvae, making up to 40% of this formula. This provides a highly digestible protein source. It's also rich in proteins like whole salmon, offering essential omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. These are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, scales, and fins. Fortified with essential vitamins, amino acids, and minerals, it ensures a balanced daily diet for fish at all life stages. Feed them only what they can consume within 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. This ensures they get the right amount of nutrition without overeating. Processed sustainably in small batches, this food guarantees quality control and maximum freshness for your aquatic pets. What we like. This option is designed to bring out the vibrant colors of your betta while providing excellent nutrition. If you want your fish to look its absolute best and thrive, consider this food. It's perfect for those who appreciate a visually stunning betta and want to support its natural coloration. What people say. The Fluval Betta tank has a nice design and it is easy to set up. The filter works well and keeps the water clean. The LED lighting is bright and makes the betta look beautiful. Number 3. NICREW 2.5-gallon Nano Nature Aquarium Kit. Bring the beauty of nature into your home with this compact and stylish aquarium. It's designed to fit perfectly in small spaces like your desktop or countertop, adding a sleek touch to any room. Setting up your new aquarium is a breeze, even if you're new to the hobby. We provide a step-by-step guide to make the process simple and enjoyable. Experience your underwater world like never before. The high-clarity glass offers exceptional light transmittance, making your aquascape vibrant and truly immersive. Maintaining clear water and healthy inhabitants is easy. Our premium filtration system keeps everything clean with minimal effort. Watch your aquatic plants flourish and your fish thrive under the integrated lighting. It's designed to create the perfect environment for your underwater companions. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started right away. It comes with a lid and a leveling mat, so you can begin enjoying your new aquarium straight out of the box. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for creating a beautiful mini ecosystem with minimal fuss. If you're a beginner or have limited space, this tank offers a stunning display with everything you need included. It's perfect for showcasing a single betta, shrimp, or small aquatic plants. What people say. The Fluval Betta tank is a great starter tank for a betta fish. It has a nice design and is easy to set up. The filter is quiet and effective, and the LED light is a nice touch. Number 2. Fluval SPEC 3 Aquarium Kit. Introducing the Fluval SPEC 3 Aquarium Kit, a stylish and compact solution for your aquatic needs. Its sleek design complements any space, while its advanced features ensure a healthy environment for your aquatic life. Enjoy breathtaking views of your underwater world through its 2.6-gallon etched glass aquarium. The aluminum trim adds a touch of sophistication, making it a beautiful centerpiece in your home or office. Experience enhanced plant growth and vibrant fish colors with its high-output 7000K LED lighting. The waterproof, all-aluminum casing ensures durability and optimal performance for your aquatic inhabitants. Maintain superior water quality with its powerful 3-stage filtration system. The stylish honeycomb wrap discreetly conceals the filtration compartment, keeping the focus on your beautiful aquarium. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to set up your aquarium. It includes the glass aquarium with cover, LED lighting, a low-voltage transformer, circulation pump, and essential filter media. Measuring just 10.8 by 11.8 by 8.7 inches, it's the perfect size for smaller spaces. Elevate your aquatic hobby with this elegant and highly functional aquarium kit. What we like. This aquarium kit provides a sophisticated environment for your betta with excellent water quality and lighting. If you're looking for a sleek, modern tank that supports healthy fish and plant growth, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who want a stylish setup that's also highly functional. What people say. The Fluval Betta tank has a sleek, modern design that looks great in any room. It comes with a powerful yet quiet filter that keeps the water clean and clear for your betta. The LED lighting system provides a beautiful natural daylight effect, promoting healthy plant growth and vibrant fish colors. Number 1. Fluval Sea Evo V Saltwater Aquarium Kit. Discover the Fluval Sea Evo V, a 5-gallon glass aquarium designed for your saltwater fish. Its stylish honeycomb pattern adds a modern touch to any space. Experience superior water quality with its powerful 3-stage filtration. It includes oversized mechanical, chemical, and biological media for optimal performance. Illuminate your underwater world with its sleek, waterproof LED lighting. Enjoy both day and night illumination with a simple touch. The multifunctional canopy features an easy-access feed door, making daily care a breeze. No more lifting the entire lid just to feed your fish. This aquarium boasts an ultra-modern look with its sleek aluminum casing. It's the perfect compact size for any home or office. Specifically designed for saltwater fish, this 5-gallon tank provides a beautiful and functional home. It's ideal for hobbyists looking for a stylish and effective setup. What we like. This tank is a great starting point for those interested in saltwater aquariums, offering a compact yet capable setup. If you're looking for a stylish and modern aquarium that can house small marine fish, this is a compelling choice. It's perfect for beginners venturing into the world of saltwater or for anyone wanting a chic, compact marine display. What people say. The Fluval Betta tank is a great starter kit for betta fish. It comes with a filter and a heater, which are essential for keeping betta fish healthy. The tank is also easy to set up and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.